Now we fucking record. And boy, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Anyway, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. See the video, I ain't gotta say it. I know you seen the title of this video, so you already know what it is. So let me start out by shouting out all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all for the love and support. We're gonna continue to keep rocking, even when I had these little brief hiatuses due to technical issues that yeah, you get it. And y'all understand and y'all rock with me and y'all like-minded, so I appreciate y'all. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now, man. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can lock in with all my new content. We can lock in and become one big family. Yes, indeed. Indeed. Like I said, we gonna get straight to it. We ain't gonna waste no more time, man. My Los Angeles archive order has finally arrived. Unfortunately, it's not a 2020 hoodie, but still some pieces I feel like I'm happy with as long as the quality is right. I've seen these pieces before, but at the end of the day, the quality does vary from person to person. So I'm gonna unbox mine and we're gonna get down to it and see how the quality is. Hit me up in the comment section if you got any of these pieces already. Let me know how your quality compared to mine. And yeah, man, let's get to it. Rustling, tussling. This one of them didn't even come in a separate package. It's just in there. I don't know, maybe it's the way they folded it up. I feel like I probably should have got a bigger size, but we gonna see, man. The first one is the Donda Benz Stadium. Okay, now that I done opened it out. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this is low key the one. Hold on, cause it ain't look like this on the picture. This the 7/22/21 Donda Stadium, Benz Stadium Donda T. Hopefully y'all can see that. It don't matter cause I'm gonna try it all on anyway. We're gonna check out the back. Pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie. It ain't as thick as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still decent, you feel me? As far as what I see right now, no defects or anything. Everything looks to be intact. The print feels pretty good on it. Yeah, that's all for that one for right now. Next up, free Hoover tee. Out top, I can tell you the quality on this one way different from that Benz Stadium shirt. And we go see, I know my boy Lambo Andy, his art was deeded this shit, so I'm gonna check mine out, see what it do. I grabbed this in the medium because I know it's oversized. I don't know if I did right because I don't know if these is Dove tee oversized or not, but we gonna check it out. Like heavy tee. If I'm not mistaken, these were engineered by Balenciaga. Okay. All right, I think I definitely got the right size. Okay. Y'all let me know. I ain't even gonna look at it. I'm gonna let y'all see first. I said let me know that I like this alive, but I'm gonna show it on camera first, then I'm gonna look at it and give my reaction. Y'all can see that. I don't know if I'm doing the right movements, but let me know what it look like. All right, y'all see it. I'm gonna look at it. Let me see. Okay. We good. I like that. I like that heavy tee, and I feel like I did right grabbing the medium. I was a little worried. Ain't no tags around the neck on here. I'm gonna have to look at my order. I could have sworn I ordered a medium, but this tag say extra large. Now I gotta look at my order. Where my phone at, bro? Cause I could have sworn. Cause this funny. Either way, it looked like it's still the right size. I ain't gonna cap. So I feel like I'm not. Yeah, I definitely ordered a medium. So you can see it right there. I definitely ordered this shit in a medium for sure. It's all good though. I guess the fashion gods was on my side with that one. And next up, last but not least from this little haul, most important piece, even though it's not a 2020 hoodie, the free Hoover hoodie. Grab this in an extra large. We're gonna see what the tags say, because clearly I ordered the t-shirt in a medium. We're gonna see what size this hoodie is actually. Let's see what we got here. I like the quality on this hoodie, man. This might should have been bigger, but I think it should fit. Okay, so they did actually give me an extra large. Yeah, man, that's all for this part of this video, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera in the other room and try this stuff on. Yes, indeed. Holla at your boy. Follow me. Upon further examination of the shirt, I did see that there was a slight defect. Right there. That's all good. Nothing too major.
Super Bowl goes. My wife in the kitchen feeding the kids, they could go.
Another little exercise won't fix though, so I ain't totally disappointed. Now that I went and looked at it in the mirror, I'll still get this off because, yeah, man, that fly big boy shit, you feel me? And I ain't really, I'm like in between, I ain't a big boy, but I ain't no small nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'ma holler at y'all. Yeah, free to go, man, free to go. Free to go!